Alright guys, check this out, the Keychron K10. This isn't just another keyboard. It's a full-sized 104-key beast designed for both Mac and Windows users. And let me tell you, it's packed with features. First off, it's hot swappable. That means you can change out the switches without any soldering. Just pop them in, pop them out. Super easy to customize your typing experience. It comes with Keychron G Pro Brown switches pre-installed, which have a nice tactile bump. But if you want something different like linear reds or clicky blues, you can swap them out in seconds. This thing is also wireless, using Bluetooth 5.1, and it can connect to up to 3 devices. Switching between your phone, laptop, and tablet is a breeze. Perfect for multitasking, right? Plus, it has a wired mode with USB Type-C if you prefer that rock-solid connection. And the battery life? Insane. We're talking up to 240 hours with the backlight off. This thing just keeps going and going. Now let's talk about the layout. It's a full-size layout, which means you get that number pad, which is a lifesaver for data entry or spreadsheet work. Keychron has also thoughtfully included dedicated keys for Mac users, like a screenshot key, a Siri or Cortana for Windows key, and even a screen lock key. They even throw in extra keycaps for both operating systems. It's the little things, you know? The build quality feels really solid, and it has 2 adjustable feet so you can find the perfect typing angle. They've even angled the bottom frame for better ergonomics. Trust me, your wrists will thank you after those long typing sessions. And the white LED backlight is a nice touch, not too flashy, just enough to see the keys in low light. Now, is it perfect? Well, almost. The number lock only works with Windows, which is a bit of a bummer for Mac users. And while it's great for office work and even light gaming, hardcore gamers might want something with a faster polling rate. But honestly, for everyday use, this keyboard is a dream. It's versatile, customizable, and built to last. If you're looking for a solid, reliable, and feature-rich full-size mechanical keyboard, the Keychron K10 is definitely worth checking out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.